morning, ma'am. Where can I file a complaint?
Here, sir. Follow me.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to the police station. How can I help you?
Good morning, sir. I want to file a complaint.
Please have a seat. I see. What is the complaint about?
Someone stole my motorcycle last night.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. I will take down your complaint. Can you give me your full name and address?
Yes, officer. I'm Garobert Leonardo and I live in Barangay San Isidro. Just 2 blocks from here.
Thank you, Mr. Leonardo. Can you tell me what happened?
Yes, officer. Last night around 10 p.m., I parked a motorcycle in front of my house. And this morning, when I woke up, it was gone.
Do you remember the exact location and time when you last saw your motorcycle?
Yes, I parked it near the gate of my house around 10 p.m. and I locked it before going inside.
What is the model of your motorcycle? And do you remember the plate number?
It's a red Honda Click model 2022 and the plate number is ABC 1234.
Okay, noted. Did you hear or see anything unusual last night?
No, officer. I went to sleep around 11 p.m. and everything's quiet.
Do you suspect anyone?
Not really, but there were a few strangers in the area yesterday afternoon.
Alright, Mr. Leonardo. We will file this report and start the investigation. We will also check the nearby CCTV.
Thank you, officer. What should I do next?
We will update you once we find anything. In the meantime, if you remember anything else, please call us or come back. Here is the copy of your complaint report, sir.
I appreciate it. Hope my motorcycle will be found soon.
Don't worry, we will do our best. For now, stay safe. P1 Plaza, please guide the way.